Everyone knows the famous cartoon Ratatouille, and there is a wonderful dish which all people think it's maybe ratatouille, but it's not ratatouille, it's tian. What is true ratatouille you can find in my other video. It's a dish from Provence with the same ingredients as ratatouille, like tomatoes, eggplant, zucchini, onions, garlic, olive oil, thyme, and some herbs that you like. And let's go for this wonderful recipe. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Very good garnish, and especially for all dish based with lamb. Côtelette d'agneau, lamb chop in grill or full like this, roasted as carré d'agneau in French, with crust, green crust. Usually it's very nice. Our vegetables are clean, so now we just need to cut slice of all of them. So let's start with zucchini, and we will do slice of around 5 millimeters. So when you choose your vegetables, try to find zucchini, eggplant and tomato more or less the same diameter. You will understand, it will be easier to make something nice. When you arrive here, it starts to be little, so you can keep all the little parts, and from the little parts do cubes to make a ratatouille. Some people will put some salt in an eggplant, so it's salted for around 10 minutes, and after rinse it to take off the bitter taste. Why? I don't know, because bitter taste it's in this world, and you must have some little bitter taste in this dish. We'll have the sweet from the onion, the sour from tomato, the chlorophyll from zucchini, and the bitter from this. So why to remove the bitter taste? I like bitter, so I stay natural. Onions, I will use a white one for onions, little bit thinner than other vegetables, like 2 millimeters. Red onion, as well, slice of around 2 millimeters. Red onion also ready. And now tomatoes, slice also 4-5 millimeters. And when you arrive to the part of the queue, the green part, you stop, because it's not good. Tomatoes are ready, all vegetables are ready. Now we take garlic, hop, and we will grate our garlic inside the dish where we will cook our tian. Cut the garlic, and we grate generously our pan, your dish where you will cook the tian. So it can be ceramic, it can be font in French, or it can be just glass if you have from glass. It smells Provence. There we will put olive oil. Provence, it's always a good olive oil, thyme and garlic. You will already feel in Provence. So thyme on the bottom. You can put fresh if you want. And now we start the only complicated step of a recipe. Put all slices one by one in a certain way. Zucchini, eggplant, onion, tomato. Zucchini, eggplant, onion, tomato. And once again, zucchini, eggplant, red onion. Now, tomato. When you cannot hold it anymore, you put it in the dish. And you follow. So it takes time, but if you practice, after you will go faster. It's a technique, And if you are concentrated, it's the only thing that you must do. After, it will stay in oven and you don't have nothing to do. So you can take time for preparation. When you arrive to finish the circle, you need to insert it. It must be firm in order to not be able to move. Very important to well fix it because it will lose a lot of volume. So if you start with not very strong press, it won't be nice. And now we do the same inside. You can use, of course, yellow zucchini. You can use white eggplant. You can use graffiti eggplant. So you can play with colors of eggplant and zucchini. As well as tomatoes, of course. When you come to the end, by the same, you must fix it very well, strongly. It's not so easy, maybe, in order to be very, very full. It has to be dense. I can maybe add more. It's okay. Now, salt, pepper, thyme, olive oil, generous olive oil, very, very generously. No waste, zero waste, as usual. The part of the garlic, you can use them as little surprise, there and there. And it goes to the oven as minimum an hour, 160 degrees Celsius. Hopla. Good night.
Many minutes later.
After 45 minutes, it's a little bit golden. I will put aluminium and this will finish to cook gently for around 15-20 minutes more. Our tian is ready. Hop. We can check if it's ready with the knife, this way. You can serve with a little bit of chopped parsley. It will add freshness to the dish. A little bit more of olive oil. It will add shiny. And some falling flowers of fresh oregano. Maybe a little bit more crispy fleur de sel. And you have a wonderful dish, vegetarian dish, or garnish for your meat, or even your fish also, because with a dorado on grill, with dorado on sea bream on the grill, will be very nice. And what's more, and you can also serve it with the jus of, if you make some lamb chop or lamb carré, or some roasted lamb, you serve it. Usually you can do a very nice jus from this lamb and put some drops of this jus on top of this, and serve it with the lamb, and it will be fantastic, logic, understable taste, fantastic. Now I had one idea to flip it like a upside down apple pie, famous tarte tatin, to see if it's better on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Of course the sauce, not so bad, this side also. Also beautiful, this side. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put like to this video. Bye bye.